So, 2026 Exc300 CNC cover, poly sport front discard, yeah, full bore radiator guards, sneaky little levers tucked in there, both sides, another lever. It's got the stock tyre on it for now. S3 power valve cover, S3 brake tip, oversized, 3 different positions, S3 rear disc guard, skid plate that they don't come with, but they come with a fan now, stock, pretty cute. Got the factory power parts, gripper seat, got the 5150 set up in the back here, so it's a half moose that's been drilled with a 754 green stripe. I'm going to try this bag, it's a bit big for my liking, but see how she rocks. Change the kill switch to the old type because the new one's shit, and if it breaks you're fucked. Other than that, she is stock as a rock. These come with closed cartridge now, so the forks are beautiful. Done the old loom repair. You put some hose over the top of the loom, cut the top cable tie here, so when it turns this doesn't fold over as bad. When you turn the handlebars, the whole loom used to pretty much bend in half, so you get 10-20 hours into it and then your bike could die. So I've just put some hose over the top of that, cable ties, bit of tape, and that seems to reduce or stop it from happening. It's got a TSP tune, pretty noticeable difference, way less burbly down the bottom, not as rich. These come quite rich, so it's the opposite to the TPIs. Other than that, beauty. Uh-oh. Whoa. What are you doing?
My clutch fucking slipped.
Ain't your clutch. Yeah, I seen you pull it in and roll back. Yeah, you're welcome. I'll catch you. Daddy's got you. Oh, fuck. Here we go.
Oh, fuck.
You're fucked now, bro.
Oh, terrible.
You have to roll back to the bottom.
Look at that, it just fucking peels off like that.
Yeah, you just dump the clutch there. Oh, that didn't feel good on the knee.
Oh.
Fucking bitch. Oh, that was all planned. It's rather slippery. Woo! Don't worry, I did the exact same thing.
That's fucking terrible. dead.
Yeah, you look pretty fucking stuck. He's stuck. He's stuck, he can't get out.
There's the track, get him going.
Woohoo! Hell yeah! Holy fucking hell! Loves it. Hell yeah! Woo! Oh fuck you! Oh! 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 I'm making the next one. This bit's alright, but it's that black ice shit.
Going down?
I think so.
Okay.
Oh, oh. It survived. Oh, I think. Oh, I broke that part, but cut that tree down. We're fucking done. We're out of here. Oh, fucking here, it's fucking like ice as well.